Good morning, good morning. Today we have an amazing trip around the Milos Island by boat. So guys, this is Greece beach. As you can see, you can reach here only by boat, but the water is amazing. Here's our catamaran. It's nice. We just arrived at traditional fish village, Mandrakia. So here we have archaeological site, Klima, and you can see it's a theater. So Dimitris, tell us the main fact about Milos and the statue that was found.
Discovered, the statue of Aphrodite, Venus, whatever you want to call it, was discovered here, and it was stolen.
Yeah, the famous one, and now you can find it.
Find it at the Louvre, I think.
Yes, in the Louvre, right? Yeah. Time to say goodbye to Milos. It was amazing adventure, amazing island. I suggest you to visit Milos for sure. I can tell you that you will love it. Maybe more than famous Mykonos Island in Greece. And they have amazing beaches where you can stay all day. Just delicious food. Those guys, I never thought that such small island can have 5-star, I don't know, Michelin stars restaurants and service, kind people, locals are just amazing. So everything was perfect, top.